There is a long list of versions and types of antivirus software programs available in the market. However, the primary objective of any antivirus software program is to protect computers and remove viruses once detected. So that means if we have an antivirus installed in our computer system, then we can use this antivirus to protect our computer system. Now let's talk about how we can use Windows 10 built-in antivirus called Windows Defender. So if we want to use Windows Defender, then first of all we need to click on this search box, or we can use Windows key to launch the start menu. After this we can type in here Windows Defender. Once we typed in Windows Defender, we can hit enter. Now we will see settings app window something like this. Here on the left hand side of the screen, we can see different categories like Windows Update, Delivery Optimization, Windows Security, Backup, Troubleshoot, Recovery, Activation, Find My Device, for developers, and Windows Insider programs. So there is a long list. Whereas on the right hand side of the screen, we can see Windows Security settings. Here we can see different protection areas, for example, virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection, app and browser control, device security, device performance and health, and family options. So all these protection areas are available over here. If we want to change the settings for any of these protection areas, then we need to click on that particular area. Now here we need to also understand, if there is a green tick mark in front of any of these protection areas, that means there is no need to take any action. So that section or that protection area is completely secure. But if there is a small orange triangle, that means we need to take some actions on that particular protection area. So that means we should be very careful. If there is an orange triangle area in front of any protection area, then we must click on that particular area and we must change the settings that are recommended.